Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to find winning products for drop shipping on TikTok ads. So, make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how you can use different methods to find winning products using TikTok ads. On your TikTok app, the first thing that you need to do is to search for a product. Instead of relying on popular searches, search for terms like, "I want to refund." This specific search term is commonly used in organic dropshipping videos. By doing this, you will discover dropship items. Explore the results. For example, this video featuring a phone tripod has around 200k views. Let us go to its profile. Here, click on Website Link. Now click on Open Anyway to visit the site. Scroll down and check if this website has any reviews. As you guys can see, this website has some positive reviews on different products. But still, we all know that reviews might not be real. So, to determine if the product is doing good results, go to the top and copy its URL address. Next, open shophunter.io. Click on the sign up button from your top right and fill in all the necessary information to create your account. Once your account is created, you will be taken to this page. Here, click on My Shop Hunter from the top. Click on Add Shop. And here, paste the URL competitor shop. Then, click on the Add Shop button and wait for the results. This site will provide data on the competitor sales, showing their performance over time. As you can see, this website has generated $2,000 in the past 30 days, making it a decent product for dropshipping. As you guys can see, here it is showing its graph over time, total orders, average order value, and other details. From the right, you can choose to see this data on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So now, let us check for another product. Let us go back to TikTok and copy the website link of any other store, for example. Now paste it on Shop Hunter to see its analytics once again. This website has generated $19,000 in the past 30 days, making it excellent product for dropshipping. In the same way, you can see its additional details, including total orders, SKUs, average order value, and other details. Once you guys have successfully identified a winning product, you can start promoting it through TikTok organic or maybe using TikTok ads. However, creating ads requires the product in your possession. You can use a service like Viral Ecom Ads. This service offers quick and effective ad creatives, ideal for testing multiple products. You can also join their VIP program for discounts and speedy delivery. After getting your ad creatives, start testing and scaling the TikTok ad strategy. Another way of checking your product's validity is to see if it is trendy or not, because selling trendy products directly boosts your sales, and you can find winning products by analyzing current trends. You guys can do that by searching their relative hashtags on the TikTok Creative Center. So head towards the TikTok Creative Center, and here, search some of the trending hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, small business, shopping online, and others. Just play around these hashtags. You guys can also put additional filters on places, industries, objectives, and others. The good thing about it is that you can have up-like products. Scroll down and you will find up videos of different products related to your hashtags. So basically, these are the trendy products. You can go to their website and check them on Shop Hunter to see their sales. This will help you to choose the winning products. Once you have selected your product, you can search it on AliExpress or other platforms like it to find suppliers. You will get to see different suppliers selling the same products at different rates. Take time and find suppliers with the most reasonable rates and good ratings. Look for products with high demand, positive reviews, and reasonable shipping items. Make sure you guys have calculated all the expenses and margins while selecting a product. Also, before committing to a large inventory, consider running small tests to see the product's performance. And that is basically how you can find winning products for dropshipping on TikTok ads. Make sure you guys play around the methods I showed and take your time while doing so until you find the perfect products that sell. And on that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.